Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. It's summertime and I got this delicious treat for you guys today. Es una raspa de pepino. Let's get started. We're gonna need 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 6 limes, and 2 cucumbers. Let's go ahead and cut our cucumbers like this. We're gonna cut them into halves and then into fourths. You don't need the tip, so go ahead and throw it out. Okay, you see those seeds? We're gonna go ahead and take them out. No bueno. The easiest way I found to do this is with a spoon like this. Take it all out. Now do all of them like this. Alright, all done. It should look like this. So it can fit into our blender. I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces. I didn't peel it because the skin is gonna add a very beautiful color to our raspa. It's gonna end up looking lime green, and there's no artificial flavors to this raspa. Okay, put them into the blender. Next, we're gonna cut 6 limes and squeeze the juice into the blender. Cut them all up and squeeze them into the pitcher. Alright, all done. Now we add the 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Next, add some water. About this much should be good. Let's take it to blend. Alright, we're gonna run it through the colander. Look at that beautiful color. Get all the juices out. I had a little bit more left, so I'm patting it down. Now that we got the cucumber base for the raspa, we're gonna add it into a container. I chose this plastic container because it freezes up pretty good and it doesn't crack. Go ahead and pour it in there. Before you stick it into the fridge, make sure to take off all the white foam. It should end up looking something like this. Seal it up and we're gonna take it to freeze overnight. Sorry about the wait, but it's gonna be worth it. Alright, see you later. Which cup should I use? This one or this one? Alright, I'm gonna use this one. Go ahead and take out your container and let's see if it's ready. Oh, that looks good. Alright, let's prepare it. Add some chamoy to the bottom of the glass. Get you a scoop for the raspa. Let me get a little more. Put it into the chamoy. That's a little small, don't you think? Let's make it bigger. That's what I'm talking about. Add a cucumber to the side. And let's cover it with some chamoy. We're gonna finish it off with some Tajín on top. Sprinkle it all over. In case you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so we can taste it together. And it's ready. It's taste test time. Let me get a little scoop. So good. I really recommend this. I'm gonna need 2 of these. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya.